Meaning of Edmund Kean.
Edmund Kean.
Edmund Kean.
Edmund Kean.
Edmund Kean.
Edmund Kean was a British stage actor born in 1787 and died in 1833. He is widely considered one of the greatest actors of his time, known for his intense and emotional performances.
Kean is particularly remembered for his portrayal of Shakespearean characters, such as Richard III and Hamlet.
He had a profound influence on acting styles and techniques that endure to this day. Despite his success, Kean was plagued by personal and financial problems throughout his life, which contributed to his untimely death at the age of 46.